I opened my eyes beneath the trees. The world was quiet, but alive. Roots like rivers, rocks like mountains. The goal gives direction, but it's the process that transforms you. I tread lightly. A single leaf breaks beneath me. And I wonder how many things we break without noticing. Nature is strong, but it's also delicate. Maybe I'm the visitor here. Maybe this world isn't mine to conquer. Nature speaks, and I'm learning to listen. I'll return, not to explore, but to remember.